Hi everybody, Broken Forge here, and Grimlock there. And just look at him there, looking regal and resplendent as one would if one were a giant robot tyrannosaur. So I'm a bit better late than never with this review, so let's jump right into Dino Mode. Dino Mode. Dino Mode. So, he's everything you could ever dream of for a gigantic, transforming, mechanical monstrosity. Going from head to tail, his jaw. Lots of many sharp, pointy teeth in there. He's got a flamethrower tongue in there. The head can move up and down, side to side. Dinky little T-Rex shoulder. Dinky little T-Rex elbow. Dinky little T-Rex claws. The leg can move freely at the hip, at the knee, and at the ankle, back and forth. And then the tail. And even though it splits from top to bottom, it can move side to side. That's about it. But what else do you need on the Robot Dinosaur? The transformation is fun but straightforward with one scary bit, and you probably know what's coming, so let's get on with it. Getting stuff out of the way that can get out of the way. Alright, here's the scary bit. The infamous little get the tail around the waist. And it's really just the left robot leg that's an issue. There's an extra hinge on the right leg, tail, that makes it pretty easy. So, to get the left leg around, you need to position the knee with the waist twisted 90 degrees to the left. And get the knee at both joints. I usually have it a bit lined up so the mass of the left leg is lined up with the hip on the center of the body, and then there's enough give and enough space to get the leg armature around. Now, it is going to have to deflect a bit. It is kind of scary the first time, but this material right here, it feels like, a nice grade of nylon or polypropylene or some sort of engineering plastic that can take the flex. It can take a good amount of deformation and not stress. And it'll last a long time, as long as you're not like, oh, get out of the way. You should be okay. All transformed up, I think honestly that Grimlock's robot mode is even more impressive than his dinosaur mode, which for a lot of people is saying something, because especially compared to the Fall of Cybertron Hasbro Grimlock, this dino mode was insane. But this robot mode is what really brings it all together. He's solid, he's beefy, there's nice inset translucent plastic over the metallic plastic. We have a really nice effect there. Just so many details crammed in this powerful, stocky robot. He's got some great accessories. He's got a robust shield and a terrifyingly pointy sword. Both are made primarily from a translucent orange plastic that can catch the light just wonderfully. It is still very, very pointy in some places. And he's jointed everywhere you'd expect a modern figure to be. I was very, very relieved to see that. Yes, he does let a toe swivel. Yeah, a lot of figures come with an A stance cut into them, which is okay, but I think it's really worth something when a figure can be put down with its legs splayed to whatever angle and you get the toes flat. It just adds 1,000,000% to how good it looks in a pose. And the only real gripe, big heavy figure, friction joint hips. I mean, the knees are ratcheted. The knees have 2 ratchets, but so close. Could have been absolutely perfect with just a clicky here and a clicky here, but it's the only thing I can complain about on this guy, so at least they're nice and tight, and everything else is spot on. Is this video a little late to the party? Yes, it is. Should you get this figure, though? You bet your ass you should. Can you still get this figure? I hope you can. Because, man, Planet X got it down packed when they built this guy. But that's probably why I sold out like 5 times, so good luck and thanks for watching.